So we have here Mirage. Ayan, so 3 cylinder. Ang issue, palyado, low power. So as we can see, the number 3 spark plug, ayun, wala na yung ground electrode na, natanggal na. Ayan. So yan yung cause ng low power pamamalya. Ayan, ginawa natin dyan. So pinalitan natin ng spark plug. Okay.